What to expect in your 6-month renew program. So this is a little overview, right? You will have access to a portal of videos, a portal of like handouts, PDFs, how-tos, documents like that. How do I do an enema? We've got that answer for you. What is a castor pack? We've got that answer for you. We will also have a 1 evening per week community coaching call, which is just so great. And here's the deal. If you have a question, ask it, because it's somebody else's question too, and someone else isn't going to ask it. Be the one, ask the question, get vulnerable, jump right in. We will be doing MBSR sessions, mind, body, spirit release sessions. These are great, and we're not going to just call one person out and kind of tag one person out. It's going to be for the group, it's going to be for the collective, and it's going to be beautiful. We are following the CellCore Comprehensive Protocol. And for those of you who don't know, I have been using CellCore products. Well, let's just say this. I have been using supplementation for darn near 30 years and guiding people along that process. And I have never seen something as strong and as effective as CellCore Biosciences products. So they came onto the radar, and I have been using them since late 2018, early 19. I have spoken from their stages. I have taught how to use the comprehensive protocol. I have been teaching muscle testing to providers across the nation for the last 2 years. I know this protocol. I know the products, I know how they work, and I know how people respond to them. So you are in good hands as we follow this protocol. And if I need to make suggestions for you to individualize that a little bit more for you, I am going to do that. That is why you are here in this conversation with us. This is a step-by-step process and not a quick fix, right? Stay consistent. Persistence and consistency is just half of the battle right there. With whatever it is you decide to take on each week, you're just gonna stay consistent with that, and you've got all this community support there for you. In fact, part of what you have access to in your portal is going to be a chat. We can all offer you the support and oftentimes the experience that you are looking for to continue guiding yourself through. Again, you are not alone in this journey. This program was literally designed specifically for you and to support you every step of the way. I cannot wait to see the transition that will take place over the next 6 months of all of us working together. So if you are ready to experience what it is to have a true, real healing and real wellness, be sure to join us today.